make una see, Papa Tope don't come again.
Papa, what are you doing in the car? Come on! What are you doing, Who gave you a car? Papa, stop coming up. Papa Chicken, my name. I was surprised to see that. Papa Chicken. Hey, come on, have your seat. Have your seat. Hey, you just tell me you got a new car.
Oh boy. I don't say I'm going to be a car owner.
Hey, how did it go? Then kiss me.
I just went my way, JJ. I want a woman. Just carry a car. Carry me.
Woman, carry you.
Carry me.
Carry me, sir. Carry you. Papa Chicken.
Wait.
What happened after that?
Can you go to hotel? Go to hotel.
You need to see the picture. I am taking it. She took it to a hotel. Papa Chicken.
And she paid for a suit.
A suit? I'm getting the gist. I am getting the gist. So what happened? Tell me, talk to me.
Don't finish, and after that, before nothing happened, she don't remove her clothes.
I wish I was in this shoe. I wish I was the one doing this. But I know you will not fall my hand. I know. You will not just fall my hand. And what happened?
She said, I am free to do anything to her.
You are free to do
anything to her.
Wait, I don't get it. You are free to do anything to her? Or take anything from her?
Anything. Whether take or do to her.
What happened? I trust I know you will do the main now.
So, do you know what? That car now.
You took the car. Hey, Papa Chicken, I understand now. You took the car.
I took the car.
Because you know what? If you are taking the car close in the first place, the clothes that be far bigger than you.
Yeah.
For instance, you took the car. Only a check, Bessie. Your head is now correct.
That's why I took the car.
At least we'll cruise the whole town. Everybody will be looking at us. Hey, how are you there?
I will take it.
Correct guy.
All
You took the car instead. That is you are the main. Papa Chicken, my yellow.
Hey, make una see, Papa